everyone, and happy 1st of December. Oh my god, can you believe it's December already? I cannot. But it's time to open the first door of my advent calendar. And as you all probably know and already saw, I assembled my advent calendar in my last video, which was a real struggle. However, today it's time to open the first ornament of my Rituals advent calendar, and I'm so excited. It has a little saying in the back, and I'll read it. It says, Santa loves Ayurveda and your hands will too. Wash worries away with the balance and fragrance of Indian rose. So we'll take a peek and see. I'm so excited. It's my first advent calendar opening. Okay, it's a ritual of Ayurveda hand wash with Indian rose and almond oil. Wow, nice, nice, nice. I actually really enjoyed their Ayurveda line, and Rituals always has such nice packaging. It's so sleek and so nice. And let me just give it a smell really quick because I'm curious. But it's probably smelling like the other Ayurveda products. Yeah, just the same. And I've really been enjoying this line a lot. So yeah, yay, a hand wash. Keep watching my videos if you want to see all of the other doors being open. It might not be every day a video, maybe I'll put 2 or 3 in one video. We'll see, because I get visits from my parents the next few days, so I'm excited. But yeah, stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!